Here we've got LG K62 Plus, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select wallpaper and dim, and here you can pick the wallpaper either from your own wallpapers. You can also choose the whole dim, change the icon then, but let me pick some wallpaper. And here you've got all the options. Obviously you can open your own gallery. Let me go back because this is our current picture, but maybe this one. Then decide if you want it to cover both lock and home screens. Tap on set wallpaper, and that's it. As you can see, from now on you've got this brand new wallpaper on both your lock screen and also home screen on both of them. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.